Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn screen lock sound on or off on Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So if you have the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G and then you want to enable or disable your lock sound so that each time you press the start button to lock your device, or each time you press it to unlock your device, or each time your device locked itself, or you turn it off, or you unlock it, this is going to play a lock sound. And if you want to remove this, then here's a video for you. So if I download this, you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the settings application. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on sounds and vibration. Once you selected sounds and vibration, scroll down, locate system sound, click on that. Now to turn screen lock sound on or off, locate screen lock and unlock and turn this on. Now when your screen is locked, then you should hear a chime. And when you unlock it, you hear the same chime. Now to turn it off while on system sound, just locate screen lock and unlock and then turn this off and then you're good. So that's exactly how to turn screen lock sounds on or off on Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.